Hello everyone, my name is Cam, and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft plugin tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Hopping into this, be sure to install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the iCard on how to install plugins. This plugin allows you to set up custom voting on your Minecraft server. Getting back into it, after installed, restart your server and head into the config files. To get there, click on your server, click on the Files drop-down tab, and click Config Files. Once there, now click on the messages.yml file, and this will pull up a list of customizations you can change. Here, you can insert your vote links and give them titles. For example, I will name mine Vote for RAMShard. If you scroll farther down, you can also change the reward message you receive in chat, and you can also change the top voter settings and vote party settings. After you are done setting all of the customizations, click Save and head into your server. Once in your server, to save all of your settings, type the command \vote reload. To show your vote links, type the command \vote. You can also configure what players will receive once they vote. To do that, type the command \vote settings. Once there, click on rewards and put in items you want the players to get, then click Save. You can also create NPCs for the top voters. To do this, type the command \create top 1, 1 being the player with the most amount of votes. If you want to delete the NPC, type the command \delete top 1. You can also check how many votes a player has by typing the command \votes space the player name. Now, that is how you can easily use the custom vote plugin on your Minecraft server. If you need any more help, I will leave the plugin page in the description below. Thanks for watching.